Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bree and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my entire Ana Luisa jewelry collection. I have over 29, actually no, I have exactly 29 pieces of jewelry to show you today. All of which, except for one thing, are still available on Ana Luisa's website, which is really awesome, so you guys can all get your hands on them still. And I started purchasing Ana Luisa jewelry 11 months ago, so it's almost been a year, so I wanted to show you a year's worth of regular, everyday wear and tear. And I have been taking care of my jewelry in the exact way that they recommend on Ana Luisa's website, which is not getting your jewelry really wet. I know a lot of people do say that they get their Ana Luisa jewelry wet and they don't have any issues with tarnishing. I just didn't want to take that chance, so I have been taking their advice as far as not doing that. So perhaps if you take care of your jewelry in the same way, you'll probably have similar results. I have multiple pieces of jewelry from every single category, that is bracelets, earrings, rings, and necklaces. So I'm gonna go ahead and do rings together, earrings together, bracelets together, necklaces together, you get it. If you have any questions about anything you see in today's video, definitely let me know down below in the comment section and I will get back to you ASAP like I always do. And if you enjoyed today's video, I definitely hope you will stick around and subscribe. Guys, first let's start with the Lisa bracelet. This is a really pretty little twisted chain bracelet and it is absolutely so stunning. It has a beautiful shine still after all these months of wear. I wear this one like 3 times a week and it has a beautiful little dangling like heart extender that makes it extra feminine. This is just perfect for stacking with lots of other bracelets as well as wearing by itself. It never looks out of place in any bracelet stack. Next we have the Elijah Bold bracelet and it is bold and it is fun and it lives up to its name, absolutely. It's a piece that is definitely great to wear alone. You can also stack it with other pieces, but it stands out all by itself and it's absolutely essential, especially for those who like a little bit more of a bold, a little bit more of a loud look. This is giving you that and I'm so here for it. It just looks so good and you can't put this on without noticing it is there. It is not one of the pieces that are going to get lost in the mix of everything else you're wearing. This is going to stand out and look beautiful always. Next we have the Elijah regular bracelet. It is a slightly toned down version of the Elijah Bold bracelet and it's just a little bit dainty. It's just a little bit glittery, a little bit glamoury, and it's just stunning. I really like it to pair with the Elijah Bold bracelet. I like them both alone as well and they definitely stack well with other bracelets too. So you just can't go wrong. It's definitely a jewelry collection staple. So guys, the coolest thing in the world happened to me since my huge Ana Luisa and Love AJ jewelry haul that a lot of you might know me from. What's happened since then is Ana Luisa actually saw a couple of my videos and reached out to me to partner with me and I'm so excited about that, you guys. We are actually partnering today on this video. Ana Luisa is currently running their biggest sale of the year and it is just in time for the holidays, you guys, and the discounts are so steep. A couple of things to know about Ana Luisa's jewelry is that they stress test their jewelry to make sure that it is life proof and that you can wear them with confidence. They are going to be strong and secure. And I love so much that Ana Luisa is committed to making conscious luxury that is accessible to everyone. And these 3 new pieces by Ana Luisa were gifted to me recently, so let's get into them. Guys, first we have the Aura watch band bracelet and it is absolutely, oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, it looks like a Rolex. It literally looks like a Rolex. It is so beautiful and I just, oh my gosh, you guys. I literally feel like I have a Rolex on when I'm wearing this. It's so beautiful and it's so eye-catching and I notice people looking at it when I'm wearing it. They probably think it's a Rolex, but it is a very, very affordable and sustainable Ana Luisa bracelet. Next we have the Meesh necklace, which has this beautiful green aventurine stone right in the middle and it is so stunning, so beautiful, and it's on a really cute chunky Figaro chain and I absolutely am obsessed with this necklace. It is so gorgeous and makes such a statement while still remaining so dainty. It is just absolutely beautiful and wow, I mean, wow. So stunning. Guys, next we have the Dobby earring, and they perfectly match the Meesh necklace. They are little green aventurine stone hoop earrings, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. So I have on our little Dobby earrings, and are they not the most adorable thing you've ever seen in your entire life? I mean, the most beautiful matching separates. I mean, this is wow, wow, wow. I have no words. I'm literally speechless, and as much as I usually have to say, that's saying a lot. Guys, I'm so excited about my new pieces, and thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of today's video. And now let's get into the rest of the jewelry, the rest of my Ana Luisa collection. Next, we have the Morgan Slim necklace, which is a flat mariner chain, and it is just so stunning, so pretty. I don't find enough mariner chains on the market, and Ana Luisa definitely nailed this one. It's similar to a Figaro style chain, but it's just a little bit different, a little bit more unusual and difficult to find, which makes it extra special having one. Although it is a delicate and small chain, the unusual pattern on it makes it a perfect statement piece. However, it looks beautiful layered as well. Next, we have the Morgan wide necklace, and this is a thicker version of the Morgan slim necklace that I just showed you previously, and this is probably my most bold and I guess you could say like chunky Ana Luisa necklace that I have in my collection so far. It is definitely a statement. You can kind of go minimal with the rest of the jewelry when you're wearing this bad boy. I love it so much, and it just really stood out to me when I first saw it. I think it's really special and really unusual, and I really love this so much. Such a beautiful piece. Next, we have the Lev necklace, and this is a puffed heart necklace. It is absolutely stunning, and it's really unusual from things that I've seen from other brands. It really gives something special, being, you know, a heart with some dimension. I love that. It is so cute to layer, and I love how long the chain is. It's perfect when you want to put it over a turtleneck, put it over something with like a more chunky collar. This looks beautiful, and it really stands out as a statement piece all by itself. It just does everything you need it to do, and it's just a beautiful little heart detail. Next, we have the Leo regular short, which is a 16-inch long Figaro necklace. I also have the Leo regular long that I will be showing you next, and I love to pair them together for layering. It's super easy, just a very classic look. They both look really good by themselves as well. They just give a little sparkle, a little bit of interest, and Ana Luisa has two versions of this necklace. This is the skinnier style, and the Leo regular long that I have as well is the skinnier style of this necklace too. So I love it for just a dainty everyday look. Really pretty. So next we have the Leo regular long, and it is 22 inches long. It's absolutely perfect for placing over a blouse like this, placing over pretty much anything that otherwise would be kind of hidden behind your clothing. You know what I mean? When a chain necklace is too short, you can't really see it under your clothing, but this is perfect. It just sits right on top of your blouse, right on top of your shirt, and it is long enough and a little bit bold enough to make that statement that you're going for. So it's a beautiful layering piece. I absolutely love it, and it's definitely quite versatile, although it is my only Ana Luisa necklace that does not have an adjustable extender. This one is just a 22-inch length. Next, we have the Souryaz necklace. It is a beautiful chain with this really crazy beautiful butterfly detailing. It has the prettiest, most sparkly cubic zirconia butterfly detail, and I'm crazy about it. It is so dainty and it's so beautiful, and it just sparkles and shines so much, and it is just so, I mean, look at it. Gorgeous. So cute. So pretty. Next, I have my Ana Luisa chain extender. It's only $10, and it was a really smart buy. I highly suggest it if you don't like wearing your necklaces too tight. You just have to have this, and I use mine all the time, even for necklaces that are not Ana Luisa. It definitely comes in handy, and it's an essential. And my favorite way to use my chain extender is on the Jusuf necklace. Otherwise, this necklace is a little bit too short for me. Here we have it, the Jusuf necklace, and I have it with the Ana Luisa chain extender on, and this is how I always wear it. I just can't do it without the chain extender. It's just way too tight for me. It looks great though. It looks absolutely so beautiful, and I love the little BU plaque in the middle. It's just really inconspicuous, and it just adds a little something interesting and a little something extra. And this is so glamorous. It is so stunning. I think everybody who checks out Ana Luisa, everybody needs to try out the Jusuf necklet. It is just stunning, you know? So next we have the Michelle Signet ring, and when people see me wearing this, they always compliment me, and a lot of people assume that this is a solid gold ring, and it is just absolutely so stunning. We have this beautiful big green malachite stone right in the center, and it is so gorgeous. This is my favorite ring in my entire collection, hands down, by far, because it's so unique and different. Next we have the Wade ring, and this is a glossy cigar band style ring, and it's chunky and it's bold and it's so seamless. This pairs just beautifully with any jewelry you want to wear it with. It just fits in so well, but still by making a statement. It's gorgeous and I love it so much. I love the shape. I love the thickness of it all. It's just a beautiful piece. Next we have the Noah dome-shaped ring. It's so beautiful and it just makes such a statement, and it really packs a punch. I love dressing this up or down, and it just holds up so beautifully. I mean, there's nothing you can't do with this ring. It's so gorgeous, and it's just a necessity to have one big, bold, smooth in texture, just statement gold ring. You know what I mean? There's no like frills or anything crazy going on here. It's just a beautiful basic piece that you need in your ring wardrobe. So next we have the rope bold. This is otherwise known as a croissant style ring, and it is so stunning and so gorgeous. Ana Luisa absolutely perfected this. It is just such a showstopper, and I get a lot of compliments when I wear this. It really just does the job of giving you that little bit of extra glitz and glam, but still wearable, still perfect for every day, and I just get so much use out of this. I love it. Next we have the Wiley ring, and this is a medium thickness cigar band style ring, and it is absolutely so stunning. It's simple, it's perfect for every day. I love layering really simple rings like this, lots of them together. It looks so glamorous and so good, and I definitely do that with my Ana Luisa rings. I love the Wiley so much, and it's perfect, nothing better. Next we have the Nell cigar band style ring, and this is the slimmest of Ana Luisa's cigar band style ring. Like the other two that I just showed you, this is the skinniest of them all, and it's absolutely perfect for layering with other rings. It's just really small, really inconspicuous. You can just kind of pop it on every single day. No one will ever know you're wearing the same ring every single day. And that's exactly what jewelry is for, right? Reusing and making them an essential and staple part of our wardrobe, and the Nell ring does just that. Next we have the Everly ring, and this is a lot like the Wade, Wiley, and Nell rings that I just showed you. However, this one is rounded as opposed to flat like those three, and it's absolutely perfect for stacking. It is essentially a gold wedding band, but it's absolutely perfect for those of us who are not married and just like that style of ring anyway. It's absolutely stunning, so beautiful, timeless, elegant, classy. I mean, it's just simple perfection. What can you say? Just beautiful, right? This last ring is the Pareja ring. Unfortunately, it's no longer available on Ana Luisa's website, and because it was selling out so quickly, I actually got mine in the smallest size that they had available at the time, which was a size 6, and it is a bit big to be wearing as a pink earring, to be honest with you guys, but I just try to make it work. I just try to be careful when I have it on that I don't let it fall off, because it is so beautiful. It is so amazing. I wish that I could have gotten it in a larger size as well to wear on my bigger fingers, but the 6 only does fit on my pinky finger. Next we have the Paris earring, and they are one of my favorite pairs of earrings. I wear them about 4 times a week and I just love them more and more every single day. They're so stunning, so pretty. They're thick and they are filled. They're not a hollow earring. They're very substantial, but they aren't heavy. They're amazing. I I could go on about them for so long, and just so gorgeous, you guys, right? I mean, just goes with everything. It looks beautiful with any neckline top that you have. They're not too big and they're not too small. They are perfect. Next we have the Jessica puffed heart hoop earring, and they are so stunning as well. Normally when I'm not wearing the Paris earring, I'm wearing the Jessica puffed heart hoop earring. They are so cute, so dainty, and a little bit unusual. Like, instead of just focusing on the puffed heart, we have an equally thick and glamorous hoop portion of the earring as well. So I feel like the two really complement one another, and I just can't get enough of these earrings. They're so stunning. This was one of my first Ana Luisa purchases, and I just had to get my hands on them as quickly as possible. I needed them in my collection, and I'm so glad they're in my collection. I use them all the time. Next we have the Kora safety pin heart earring, and I absolutely love these. I wear them all of the time and they just look so perfect with all of my other heart jewelry. I love heart shapes for whatever reason. They're just so great, and you know, self-love. So these are just amazing, absolutely so stunning, and they just make me happy looking at them. They're beautiful, they're minimalistic, and they definitely elevate any look at the same time. Here we have the Cassie earring. They are tiny little hoop earrings with the cubic zirconia stud right in the center. Now I'm going to show you some tarnishing that has happened with the Cassie earrings, and the reason it has tarnished is because I mostly always wear these in my second piercing hole, which I got done about 2 years ago now. My skin obviously heals extremely slowly. In fact, sometimes my second piercings even get swollen a lot of the times still. So unfortunately for that reason, the Cassie earring has tarnished. As you know, piercings are basically wounds that need to heal, and only surgical steel are supposed to be in your piercing until they heal. I just couldn't wait, and I was pretty sure that was going to happen if I put the Cassie hoop in my ear, but I'm fine with it because the part that is tarnished is almost always covered by my ear, so it's all good. Next we have the Claire hoop earring. They're a tiny ball hoop earring, and just like the pair before these, the Cassie, the Claire's unfortunately have some tarnishing on them because, again, I like to wear them in my second piercing hole, and I pretty much knew that was going to happen, the tarnishing, because your piercing holes that are unhealed are basically open wounds, and I'm putting gold-plated jewelry into open wounds. In fact, you're only supposed to put surgical steel, so I've heard, so I've been told by my piercing person, in your earring hole. So don't do what I did unless, you know, unless you just want to go for it, which is what I wanted to do. I think they still look really good. I couldn't do it the surgical steel. I had to have some Ana Luisa in my second piercing hole. Next we have the mini Abbey hoop earring on, and they're so adorable. I feel so cute and classy every time I have them on. And think globe shape, like a spear ball shape, if you will. They are just perfectly circular and so cute, dainty, and they're so different from other earrings on the market. I don't see other shops with these kind of earrings, just Ana Luisa, so I think they're very special, and you can only get them at Ana Luisa. Next we have the regular size Abbey hoop earring, and I just love these so much. Unlike the mini, these ones drop down, so there is a little bit of a different shape. It's not exactly a perfect globe or a spear shape. They are just so unusual, so different, and they're actually giving like 1980s vibes, if you will. At least I think they are. You can tell me if I'm wrong, but I just love how pretty and different these are. So guys, that is it for the collection. Definitely make sure to subscribe so that you can see how my collection evolves and grows. I went ahead and put back on my new pieces for the rest of the video. Definitely also make sure to subscribe for more New York City living videos, beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos. That's what I do here on my channel, so I definitely hope you will stick around for lots more. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.